Hi everyone! We're doing our Bulu boxes for February 2018. Let's see what kind of magical stuff is in here.
Magical?
Oh, you don't even need my sword.
Nope. Say hello to your samples, as always.
As always, paper.
Coupons.
Crap.
Yeah, lots of papers. Coupons. The golden ticket.
What's this thing? What is this?
We got lollipops.
This thing for little kids?
These the lollipops already open.
See?
It's clean teeth pops. Have you had clean teeth pops?
No.
What's clean teeth pops?
Read it. It's for little kids, 12-year-olds.
No, it was created by a 12-year-old. She created lollipops. Are sugar-free and made with smile-friendly natural ingredients to leave your teeth feeling smooth and clean and fresh in your breath.
You can have this, Amanda.
What is it? Sleep aid? 1 dose sleep aid. I'll try it tonight. We got the same box again.
You can have this, Amanda.
What is it?
Seaweed shampoo and conditioner.
Ooh. I'll try that for normal to oily hair. Eucalyptus and peppermint.
How's this? Joint comfort mobility. Triple action. Synodron. Complete joint health. Oh, I can do this.
Okay. You can have that one.
Cool. We traded.
Arthritis and muscle pain relief gel.
Oh, I can use that. My muscles always hurt. Wait, you got something I didn't get that.
Aha! One thing that's different.
I didn't even get nothing extra. What is that crap?
It is simple diet, green coffee bean, African mango, acai, and
we didn't get anything for your cold this time that you could have taken right now.
No, I have. We usually get something for when you're sick. That did not come in this time.
Well,
but this is a diet
this month's
pill.
box sucked.
Oh, it's a mister. You gotta say one good thing.
I don't know if this stuff's gonna work.
But we got...
And what are these?
Suckers for after you eat. It cleans your teeth.
Okay.
I got shampoo and conditioner, sleep aid, and suckers. I'm okay with mine-ish.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah?
Alright. Sounds good.
Yeah?
Yep. Alright, everyone. See you guys next time.
Hopefully March is better.